Okay, what do we have today?
When you need a small, high reliability connector, who can you trust? A Gecko, specifically Harwin's Gecko Screw-Lok series, part of the low-profile, dual-row, 1.25mm pitch Gecko connector family that's up to 45% smaller and 75% lighter than Micro D connectors. The Gecko SL offers stainless steel screw fixings for maximum retention and strain relief, and all screw fixings are mate before lock for fast, easy mating before engaging the screws. The connectors are based on Harwin's patented 4-finger beryllium copper contacts for reliable contact under heavy shock and vibration, and they support 1,000 mating cycles. Each gold-plated contact has a 2.8 amp current rating, and all contacts simultaneously are rated for 2.0 amps each. For EMI-sensitive applications, Harwin offers matching lightweight aluminum backshells that accommodate metal braiding for effective shielding and cable protection. Harwin Gecko SL connectors are ideal for cable-to-board and board-to-board applications that require high reliability over a long product lifetime.